Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix set time zone automatically option grayed out here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and proceed to settings, click on it. Once you have successfully opened your settings, proceed to the left side of it. It has this list of options. Here you need to scroll down and look for privacy and security. Next to accessibility, click on it. Okay, so here in the privacy and security section, you need to scroll down, okay, and go with app permissions. And the very first of it, it has this location. Simply click on that, and here, aligning the location services, you need to turn this on and might as well let apps access your location is on. Okay? So in this manner, when you go with time and language and proceed to date and time, the set time zone automatically option is not grayed out anymore. So it is now fixed, okay? And you can turn it off and you can turn it on the set time zone automatically. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.